the video. And the benefit, I will put it in the description box. So yeah, some water in the pot. Rough about 1 cup of water. We're gonna cut a piece of a ginger from this. Right here. That's the ginger. So I'm gonna grate the ginger like that, okay? I'm going to put in some cloves. So what you wanna do, put in about 4 to 5 cloves into the water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cloves. All right, I might just put a little bit more in it, just a tiny bit. Don't put too much, guys. All right, yeah, please don't put too much into the water. All right, yeah. But anyway, I'm using a large cup, so I might have put a few more in mine. So that's how it look.